Bingo Clash, Bingo Cash, and Blackout. Bingo all offer ways to win real money prizes, but PayPal availability and withdrawal rules vary by app and location. By the end, you'll know which 5 bingo apps are worth checking if PayPal is your preferred way to receive winnings, and what to verify before playing for cash. Bingo Clash A takes the top spot because Avia Games specifically lists PayPal as a withdrawal option for eligible players. The app uses head-to-head bingo matches, so you compete against another player rather than a traditional room of players. Cash games aren't available in every location, so check whether the cash option appears in your account before depositing. Bingo Cash is another strong choice for PayPal users. The app separates withdrawable cash from bonus balances, which helps you see what can actually be cashed out. Its tournaments can use paid entry fees, so free promotional credits and cash winnings shouldn't be treated as the same balance. Blackout Bingo comes in third. Instead of traditional bingo, it uses a faster blackout format where you mark numbers as they appear. Cash tournaments can award real money prizes, and PayPal can be used for eligible withdrawals. The key word is eligible because payment methods in cash competitions can depend on your location and account. Bingo Tour ranks 4th. It's also part of the Avia Games lineup and combines bingo with power-ups and competitive events. Avia supports PayPal withdrawals for eligible games and players, but its withdrawal processing can take several days rather than arriving instantly. Check the current withdrawal screen before entering a cash tournament. Bingo Arena takes the 5th spot. The app offers competitive bingo formats, including one-on-one games and tournaments with real money prizes. PayPal availability should be confirmed inside the current withdrawal options because payment methods can change by location. One thing separates these apps from ordinary free bingo games. You need to check the withdrawal rules before you play for cash. Look specifically for the minimum cash out amount, whether PayPal is supported in your location, whether identity verification is required, and whether promotional credits can actually be withdrawn. Also check whether you're entering a paid tournament. A real money bingo app can let you win cash, but paid entries mean you can also lose the amount you put into a tournament. So the ranking is Bingo Clash, Bingo Cash, Blackout Bingo, Bingo Tour, and Bingo Arena for someone specifically looking for PayPal cashouts. Before depositing, open the withdrawal page, select PayPal if it's available, and read the current cashout requirements. That takes less than a minute and tells you whether the app actually fits what you're looking for. If you want more rankings of apps that pay real money, like this video, and subscribe.